Hello guys, and welcome back to new update on this channel. So Aimogen got a recent major update, and one little point in the major update changelog was that the plugin got support for Stable Diffusion 3.0 API, and in this tutorial video I want to show you how you would be able to use it. So first place, go to Aimogen settings and go to AI images, and after normally you added your Stable Diffusion API key in the API keys menu, you will be able to use the new Stable Diffusion models, the V3 models, which is Stable Diffusion Core, Stable Diffusion 3.0 and Stable Diffusion 3.0 Turbo. So you can select the AI images menu here, what model you want to use. I recommend really much the Stable Diffusion Core model as it delivers really good quality images in a really fast way. So let's go ahead and save settings. Let me show you how the Stable Diffusion Core model will work. For this, for example, let's use the AI content editor, and simply let's say that, hey, I want to create a featured image for my published post automatically, or in this case I will do it manually using Stable Diffusion API and allow Stable Diffusion Core to generate an image for me. So for this I go to AI generated featured image options in the editing templates options tab from AI content editor menu, and enable featured image creation. Here I select Stability.AI in the featured image source, and the prompt is a high detail photograph of post title. Okay, so now let's save settings and go to posts, and let's add a new post here. Okay, so let's add a new post. The title should be a cat and a dog. And keep in mind that we had the AI content editor menu, that the prompt should be sent to the Stable Diffusion AI, a high detailed photograph of post title. And our post title is a cat and a dog. And let's write some content, publish it, and afterwards we can automatically start the processing of the post using this button. So edit post now will actually process the the Stable Diffusion model, and we can see we have no featured image now, but if we start post editing, we will see that the post status is submitting, and if we wait a bit now, we will be able to actually see the Stable Diffusion image added to the post. So the Stable Diffusion Core model will not take very long. As you can see, it is already ready, and if we refresh this post now, we will be able to see the image here. We actually told that we need a cat and a dog, but it seems that only a cat appears in the image, but no problem. With some fine-tuning we will be able to actually get also that dog in our image. But yeah, I will leave you guys to play with this new feature, and don't forget, the AI content editor will be able to do this. And also in the settings part of the plugin, don't forget to set the AI images to Stable Diffusion Core or Stable Diffusion 3.0 and Turbo. Let me also show you one last thing, the Stable Diffusion 3.0 model, which is slower, so expect much longer loading times. And let's remove this image, update, and now the post has no image. And now let's edit it again, but now the Stable Diffusion version 3.0 will be used, so not the core, but the 3.0 Stable Diffusion model will be used, and this is more expensive and slower a bit, but it also finished. Let's see the result here. And yeah, it's a dog and a cat. And if we go in, we will see the image here in action, and it is, as you can see, a good quality image. The ear of the dog is a bit missing here, but yeah, the rest of the image is really great quality, as Stable Diffusion 3.0 will bring high quality images and it will generate high quality images. Okay, so this is the video update. Let me know if you enjoyed these updates. And Aimogen is updated to version 2.0, and also the Stable Diffusion 3.0 is available in it. Everything linked in this video description. If you have ideas, suggestions, let me know in the comments of this video. This is all for today. Like, share, subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.